So in this Notes app tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to change the background of the Notes app. So once the Notes app's opened up, as you guys can tell, the background for me here is like a standard white or like a gray color. If you wanted to change this, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the Settings app on your phone. Once the Settings app is opened up, I want you to go down sort of to the middle here to where it says Display and Brightness. Then go ahead and make sure that your appearance is on dark mode. Once dark mode is set, I want you to exit out of this and scroll all the way down to the bottom until you guys come across the apps page right here. Press on that. Once you're here, I want you to go all the way down to the end section because you want to go ahead obviously and select notes. Once you're on the notes page right here, if you just were to scroll down a little bit all the way to the viewing section right here, there's a bunch of different options right here, and where it says note backgrounds right here, you can actually change this to dark or light. So for example, if you have the dark theme on, you can change this to light for the notes. You can go ahead and change it back to dark. So this way, if you were to go to the notes page right now, as you can tell, the note background of your screen is now black. You can't change it to like anything specific, so this is the best you guys can do, but that's how to change the background on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.